So pretend with me for a second that you've been captured by a rogue band of rebel physicists who are determined to build a time machine. Now they've locked you in an electronics shop and they give you one mission: build a working time machine prototype. But there's just one issue. You have a dentist appointment at 3:15 today, and they always want you to show up 15 minutes early, and it's going to take at least 47 minutes to build a time machine, which means you're really down to 30 minutes? That seems impossible. You start scanning the shop for options. You got an Arduino Giga display shield, and a giant 3D printed cat. Not exactly time machine parts. But then, in the distance, you hear a cat meow. And it strikes you like a bolt of lightning hitting a clock tower. Instead of building a time machine, you'll build something to distract the physicists. Something so compelling, so weird, they won't even notice you sneaking off to your dentist appointment. Now it's clear to you what you've got to build. A probabilistic time state engine. Basically, it's a magic 8-ball, only instead of an 8-ball, you're going to use the 3D printed cat. You fire up the computer in the corner, head to the Arduino documentation, and start up the Arduino IDE. You've got the Arduino Giga plugged in and the shield on top of it, and now you jot down your to-do list. Installing all the libraries goes shockingly smooth. You make a note to buy a lottery ticket later. Next, you start playing around with the light and versatile graphics library examples for the Arduino Giga display shield. You're able to get words up on the screen and even add a fancy shadow effect. Now comes the ChatGPT library. The documentation? It's non-existent. Who wrote this mess? But the example sketches do work. You type in your ChatGPT API key from memory like a hacker in your favorite action movie, then pop open the serial monitor.
If you do design your own circuit boards, I want to take a minute and tell you about today's sponsor, JLCPCB.com. JLC, making juicy little circuits. Every time I order boards delivered so perfect, I upload my Gerbers to their online servers. Choose my build parameters like quantity and surface finish. Things look good on their 3D viewer. JLC making juicy little circuits. Order today at JLCPCB.com. JLCPCB.com also offers PCB assembly, 3D printing, laser cutting, CNC machining, and so much more. Check out JLCPCB.com today for all your DIY electronics, engineering, and maker needs.
All right, you're connected. This might actually work. It's right when you think that, when the Arduino Giga port vanishes from the IDE, replaced by a blinking red LED that seems to mock you. You search YouTube and find a video explaining the fix. Thank goodness for those kind folks who post error fixes just like this. You smash the thumbs up button and leave a short review. Time's running out fast. You grab the 3D printed cat and pause. Who spends 3 days printing something like this? Wouldn't a flat cat have been so much easier? But there's no time to dwell. You cram in the display, make some adjustments, and place the cat on the floor. It's been 29 minutes. It takes 5 minutes to drive to the dentist. If traffic behaves, you might make it there by 3:05. You pound on the shop door and then scramble behind a bookshelf. The physicists all rush in, instantly captivated by your probabilistic time state engine. As they huddle around the fortune-telling cat, you slip out. You get out of the dentist office in record time, thanks to your excellent flossing habits, sneak back into the electronics shop, and start working on the real time machine. If you want to build this project, all the code is at a link in the description. Fair warning, the ChatGPT Arduino library, ChatGPTuino, that this code is based on is still very much in development. If you're relying on it to escape rebel physicists, well, good luck. Now the next video you should watch is this one right here. This video is going to get you up to speed with Arduino right here.